Hello everyone, welcome back to the my next lecture, that is chapter number 1, solid state. In this lecture we discuss about following points. First, packing of particles in crystal lattice. In this, what is the sub point? Close packing structure. In close packing structure, that is two types. First is close packing in one dimension and close packing in two dimension. In here, this close packing in two dimension also divided into two parts, that is square close packing and hexagonal close packing. After this C part, that is close packing in three dimensions. Here also divided into three parts. First is stacking of square close pack layer. Second one, stacking of two hexagonal close packed layer. And third one, placing of third hexagonal close packed layers. After this, I will discuss about what is the coordination number in close pack structure and number of voids per atoms in SCP and CCP. Next, packing of particles in crystal lattice. First point, constituent particles of crystalline solid are close packed. Next point, while describing the packing of particles in a crystal, the individual particles are treated as hard sphere. Next point, the closeness of particles. Closeness of particles maximize the interparticle attractions. Next one, the number of neighboring spheres that touch any given sphere is its coordination numbers. Okay. Next one, the magnitude of the coordination number is a measure of compactness of spheres in close packed structures. Next one, the larger the coordination number, then closer are the spheres of each others. Okay, simple is, we know that what is the, you have to remember here, when the larger is the coordination number, the closer are the spheres to each other. Next one, next part, that is close pack structure. Close pack structures. In this point, the three-dimensional close pack structure can be understood conveniently by looking at the close packing in one and two dimensions. First, a part that is close packing in one dimensions. A close packing in one dimension structures result by arranging the two spheres to touch each other. Two spheres are touched to each other in a row as shown in figure. This close pack structures simple figure is there, that is close packing in one dimension. Here two spheres, that is the one sphere and that is the second sphere. These two spheres are attached to each other. See, these were second one, first, second, first, second. That type of one dimensional arrays are arranged in two spheres are attached to each other. That is the simple concept. Next one, that is B part, close packing in two dimension. In this part, a close pack two dimensional planar structures result by attaching the rows together such that they are in contact with each other. There are two ways to obtain close packs in two dimensions. First one, square close packing. Second one, hexagonal close packing. In this first part, square close packing, we have to discuss. In this part, that is one dimensional rows of close packed sphere are attached over each other such that the spheres align vertically and horizontally as shown in figure. These are simple figure, A types figure. Here all the layers are same manners. These all are arranged in one by one over the vertically and these are horizontally. So what is the square close packs? Square matlab these are the four coordination number is attached to one single atoms. That is first here touching, second one here touching, third one and fourth one. Means total number of four coordination number or four parts are different parts are attached to four points. That is square close packing structure or A types layer. Next one, if the continue you have to discuss here, if the first row is labeled as A types being exactly the same as the first row, hence this arrangement is called A types two dimensional arrangement. The second row is also called labeled as A type. In this arrangement, every sphere touched four neighboring spheres. So this two dimensional coordination number have 4. A square is obtained by joining the center of these four closest neighbors as shown in figure as the above figures. Therefore, this two-dimensional closed pack is called square close packing in two dimensions. Okay, continue the square close packing. Here, square close packing in two dimensions. That is simple by figure. You have to simple understand. That is the four coordination number 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are simple by diagrammatically. You have to understood here. That is square close packing. Square matlab simple. These are the one center point. These four coordination number. Here simple is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Is one spheres or one atoms is attached to four different coordination numbers. These are explained by with the diagram. Simple diagram is simply how to understood these A type of layers. All are A types of layers is attached to each over and over, and every points are attached to four different points, that is four coordination numbers. ठीक है. Next second part, that is hexagonal close packing. In hexagonal close packing there are close pack in one dimensions rows. That's like first A types figures you have to show that there are depression between the neighboring spheres. If the second row is arranged in such a way that its spheres fit in the depression of the first row, that is a staggered arrangement. Result, if the first row is called A types row, then the second row is being different, that is B types. Means placing the third layers or third rows in staggered manner in contact with the second row gives rise to an arrangement in which the spheres in the third rows are aligned with the spheres in the first row. Hence, the third row is same as A types. So, similarly, spheres in the fourth row will be aligned with the spheres in the second row, and hence the fourth row will be same as B types. The resulting two-dimensional arrangement, that is A types, AB types, as shown in figures. Continue to hexagonal close pack, that is in this free space are known as void space. The apex of the triangular voids in alternative rows points upward and downwards. You have to simply show in figures. That is, these points are simply here observe, that is free space are known as void space, that is apex of the triangular voids in the alternative rows points upward and downwards. We simply have to see observe here, that is upward, that is downward, that is upward, that is downward, that is upward, that is downward, that is upward. These are simply explaining this point. Here, what is the hexagonal close pack? Hexa means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 points are attached to the surrounding the single crystal points. This one single point you have to attach. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 times attached to surrounding. That is the means simple here. What is the discussing here? This A part. A is depressing to each of hers. That is A, B, A, B, A, B. A is close to the inner side, B is outer side, A is also inner side and B also outer side. Means that is the AB type layers. Here this second diagram you have to simply observe here. That is hexagonal close packing. These 6 coordination number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and simply this is same as A, B, AB types of layers are present. It's having hexagonal close pack in 2 dimension. This second one, this you have to observe here, that is the total number of coordination number is equal to 6. Next part continues, you have to discuss here. In hexagonal close pack, in this arrangement, each sphere is touches 6 closest neighbors. Thus, the two-dimensional coordination numbers in this packing is 6. We simply observe here in the above diagrams. That is, you have to observe 6 coordination number is present. Easily you have to understand. A regular hexagonal is obtained by joining the center of these 6 closest spheres as shown in figure, as above figures. Hence, this type of two-dimensional close packing is called hexagonal close packing in 2 dimensions. Compared to the square close packing in 2-dimensional, the coordination number in hexagonal close packing into 2 dimension is higher. You have to simply here observe that is the square close pack में क्या होता है कि hexagonal close pack से उसके अंदर का जो void space होता है वो ज़्यादा होता है. That is the higher 2-dimensional hexagonal close pack से square close pack के अंदर जो void space होता है that is higher होता है. Next one, that is moreover the free space in the arrangement is less than in square close packing. तो सिंपल यही अबो का जो स्पेस होता है, जो फ्री स्पेस होता है वो स्क्वायर क्लोज पैक से कम होता है किसमें, हेक्सागोनल क्लोज पैकिंग में. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन, मेकिंग इट मोर एफिशिएंट पैकिंग देन स्क्वायर क्लोज पैकिंग. मेकिंग इट मोर एफिशिएंट पैकिंग देन स्क्वायर क्लोज, मतलब स्क्वायर क्लोज से ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा टाइटली अटैच होता है, पैकिंग होता है. फ्रॉम द अबव फिगर इट इज़ एविडेंट दैट फ्री स्पेस और वाइड स्पेस आर ट्रायंगुलर इन शेप. जो हेक्सागोनल क्लोज पैक के अंदर जो वाइड स्पेस होता है दैट इज ट्रायंगुलर शेप में होता है. इसके अंदर जो एपेक्स होता है, एपेक्स ऑफ द ट्रायंगुलर वाइड्स इज अल्टरनेटिवली दीज आर अपवर्ड एंड डाउनवर्ड्स में होता है. एक अल्टरनेटिवली अपवर्ड में होता है और इसके बाद डाउनवर्ड अपवर्ड डाउनवर्ड अपवर्ड डाउनवर्ड, ये अल्टरनेटिवली दे हैव टू प्रेजेंट इन द हेक्सागोनल क्लोज पैक में होता है. नेक्स्ट पार्ट that is close packing in 3 dimension. Here the stacking of 2-dimensional layers gives rise to the 3-dimensional crystalline structures. In this part, we understood the two-dimensional square close-packed layer are found to stack only one way to give simple cubic lattice. Two-dimensional hexagonal close-packed layers are found to stack in two distinct ways, two different ways. Accordingly, these two crystal structures are forms, namely first one, that is hexagonal close packed structure, and second one is face centered close packed structure or cubic close packed structure. Here continue to discuss, that is first one, stacking of square close packed layers. In this point, you have to understand stacking of square close packed layer generates a three-dimensional simple cubic structure. Here, the second layer is placed over the first layer so as to have its faces exactly above those of the first layer as shown in figure. These simple figures you have to observe close packing in three dimensions. This three-dimensional A types layers diagram is here. These all these pairs or all the layers are attaching one over each other. This first layer, second layer, third layer, fourth layer. These are arranged in three-dimensional by one each over to each other. Then this simple you have to understand that there are three-dimensional close packing is obtained by stacking two-dimensional layers, that is square close packing or hexagonal close packing one above the others. By stacking two-dimensional square close packing layers, the particles in the second layers are exactly above the in the first layer, means that is the A types patterns. The lattice generated is simple cubic lattice and its unit cell is primitive cubic unit cell or simple cubic unit cell. It's having also 6 coordination number, that is first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. These are that is the each hexagons having 6 coordination numbers. This figure is stacking of, that is this figure is simply how to understand, that is the stacking of square close packing layers in simple cubic structures. Next one to continue be continue to be discussing here, that is the stacking of square close packed layers. What is the explanation? That is in square close packing that is the subsequent square close packed layers are placed one above the other in the same manner. In this arrangement, spheres of all the layers are perfectly aligned horizontally as well as vertically. Horizontally as well as vertically. Hence, all the layers are alike and are labeled as AA types. Means this arrangement of layer is decided or described or called as AA types layer. The structure that result on stacking square close packed layer is a simple cubic structure and its unit cell is primitive cubic unit cell or simple cubic unit cell. It can be seen that in the simple cubic structure, each spheres touches to each other by 6 neighboring spheres, 4 in the on layers, 1 is above and 1 is below. Hence, the coordination number of each sphere is 6. Example of coordination number, that is polonium is the only metal that crystallize in simple cubic pack structures. Okay, next one, what is the simply this diagram we have to observe, that is the A type diagrams, and these all layers are arranged in one over the others in same manners by 3 dimension, that is A layers and also A layers, A layers, A layers, and that is the simply packing of 3 dimensional structure in one over to each other. This, with the help of this diagram you have to simply understand. Then next one, here what is the observation in simple cubic structure, each sphere is, we know that each sphere is touches 6 neighboring spheres and 4 is on and 1 is above and 1 is below, last point that is same as, hence इसका जो कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर कितना आएगा फिर 6. Next one, second point, that is stacking of hexagonal close packed layers in 2 hexagonal close packed layer. For last wala 1 था, that is stacking of 2 hexagonal close packed layers. In this point you have to understood or simply studied that is to generate a close packed 3 dimensional structure, hexagonal close packed layers are arranged in a particular manners. In doing so, spheres of second layer are placed in the depression of first layer as shown in figure number 1. If the first layer is labeled as A layer, then the second layer is labeled as B layer because of the two layers are aligned differently. Hence, it is evident from the figure number 1 that all the triangular voids of the first layer are not covered by the spheres of second layer. The triangular voids that are covered by spheres of second layer generate tetrahedral void as shown in figure number 2. A tetrahedral void is surrounded by 4 neighboring spheres. On joining the center of these 4 spheres, a tetrahedron is formed which enclose the tetrahedral voids as shown in figure number 2. The remaining triangular voids of the first layer have above them the triangular voids of the second layers. The overlapping triangular voids from the two layers together form an octahedral voids is surrounded by six spheres as shown in figure number 3. These next one continue to discussing here, that is stacking of two hexagonal close pack layers. This first diagram, that is two layers of close packing sphere. Here these first layer and second layers and third layers. This first layer is same as third layers, means that is the AB types layer are arranged to each other. And second diagram we have to show what is the tetrahedral voids. Tetrahedral voids, that is this center triangular point is known as tetrahedral voids. The first, second, third and fourth, this fourth one, these attached to each other. When one coin is taking center point and surrounding four coins you have to take, then you have to observe what is the one coins are exactly above, then this triangular form will be obtained. These are the tetrahedral voids. Next diagram you have to observe what is the octahedral voids. This below third and above third, 3 plus 6 point test to each other. Then you have to obtain one center triangular point. This triangular point is known as simple, that is octahedral voids. Okay, this simple 3A, B and C diagrams you have to, or 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3 diagrams are given. This octahedral voids, tetrahedral voids, and this series of arrangement is simply understood by these diagrams. Continue next one, that is placing third layers or third hexagonal close pack layers. In third layers there are two ways of placing the third hexagonal close pack layers, and the second one, first way is of doing this is to align the sphere of the third layers what with the spheres of first layer. The resulting pattern of the layer will be ABAB type. This arrangement result in hexagonal close pack structure is that is SCP. Then these are shown in figures. The metals like zinc, magnesium have hexagonal close pack structure. That is the examples. Then the simple diagram you have to observe, that is the close pack layers, third layers. That is first layer, A types layer. Then above these are the black colors, B layers. And then above again you have, that is the green layers, that is A layers. Means simple in this diagram, these are the third layer, first layer, second layer and third layer. That is A, B and A. And this second type, that is FCC, that is SCP, hexagonal close pack layer, and that is the face center cubic close pack. This first, second and third layer, this pink color is there. Okay, this simple diagram you have to understand by these hexagonal close pack layers. Next one, from the formation of hexagonal close pack and cubic close pack structure, these we simply observe that is AB types of layers. These are simple side views of arrangement of the coordination number. This 6 6 6 here, total number of 12 means simple hexagonal close pack में आपको मिलता है, that is total number of what is the hexagonal close pack and that is square close pack structure. आपको cubic close pack structure आपको कैसा समझ में दिखाई देता है वो एक्चुअली साइड व्यू से आपको डिटेल में एक्सप्लेन किया है इन दिस diagrams. Next one, that is the second way of third layers, that is the placing of the third hexagonal close packed layer on the second is covered by octahedral voids by series of third layers. In such placing, the series of the third layers do not align with the series of second or the series of first layer. Means the third layers is completely different, therefore which is known as C layers. Hence the series of fourth layers we get aligned with the series are same as first layer. Hence the fourth layer is also called as A types. This pattern of stacking of hexagonal close pack layer is called as ABC types. This arrangement result, it gives cubic close pack structure as shown in figure. This is same as FCC. This is same as FCC. Metals such as copper, silver, that's having CCP or FCC crystal structure. The number of octahedral voids is half than tetrahedral voids, means every 2 tetrahedral voids is equal to 1 octahedral voids are present, 1:2 ratio. That is, the tetrahedrals and octahedral voids occurs in SCP and CCP and FCC. Simply understand. Then next part, that is stacking of hexagonal close pack in third layers. Continuously you have to discussing here by diagrams. These diagrams are simply A types layers. First one, AB types layers is hexagonal close pack layers, and ABC types layer is, that is a hexagonal cubic close pack, or that is the FCC structure. Here simple diagram you have to detail, you have to understand. So what is the first layer, second layer and third layer. What is the tetrahedral and that is the octahedral. टेट्राहेड्रल में आपको ट्रायंगुलर फॉर्म में मिलेगा और ऑक्टाहेड्रल आपको राउंड फॉर्म में मिलता है. ठीक है. Next one, we know that that is in cubic close pack structure, that is coordination number is equal to 12. ABC hexagonal close pack, simply what the diagram will be indicating, first layer, second layer and third layer. ABC layer are continue. Here understand with the this diagram. Next one, formation of hexagonal close pack structure by what is the hexagonal close pack structure, what is the covering tetrahedral voids. Here simply A 6 3 3, यहाँ पे 3 above है, 3 below है, below above और below. A simple 6 6, that is 3 plus 3 6 and that is 6. Total number is equal to hexagonal close pack में 12. That is the coordination number. Total number of 12 coordination number. Here 6, here 3 3 6. Means simple ABC. This 3 3 6 and this 6, that is equal also 12. Means simple both are having coordination number is equal to 12. This simple diagram we have to observe A B. Here 6 3 6 3. means simple, what is the coordination number and what is the actual arrangement of ABC types of layers, that is side views. Okay, these are hexagonal and that is the cubic close. Here these are this triangular form, this 1 2 3 ये ऑपोजिट में आएगा और यहाँ पे आपको मिलेगा ऑपोजिट में मिलेगा, ये सेम साइड में वन फर्स्ट लेयर एंड दिस लेयर बीबी लेयर्स आर सेम है। यहाँ पे तीनों लेयर आपको डिफरेंट में मिल रहा है, ए बी और सी तीनों लेयर आपको डिफरेंट में मिल रहा है, ठीक है। हेंस मीन द हेक्सागोनल क्यूबिक क्लोज पैक exploded view showing stacking of layer of spheres, 4 layers of stacking in each close, and geometrically the packing is equal to packing fraction is equal to 74% वो FCC में होता है और that is called इसका coordination number कितना होता है 12. और this diagram also same, what is the arrangement of hexagonal cubic close pack structure, these side views, टॉप व्यूज हैं, दीज आर द टॉप व्यू, ऊपर से देखोगे तो ऐसा दिखाई देता है और इस साइड से दिखाई दे दिस 3 एंड दिस 6, टोटल 12 कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर यू हैव टू ऑब्जर्व हियर, दिस हेक्सागोनल क्लोज पैक एंड दैट इज क्यूबिक क्लोज पैक, दिस फर्स्ट वन इज क्यूबिक क्लोज पैक एंड सेकंड वन इज हेक्सागोनल क्लोज पैक। यहाँ पे आपको ट्रायंगुलर फॉर्म मिल रहा है, यहाँ पे ट्रायंगुलर फॉर्म मिल रहा है, यहाँ पे भी ट्रायंगुलर, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट वन, that is number of voids per atoms in hexagonal cubic close pack and face center cubic close pack is equal to number of octahedral voids is half, ये दोनों के अंदर क्या होता है हाफ हाफ पार्ट में होता है, दैट इज इक्वल टू टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड से कम होता है, दैट इज 2:1, इसमें टेट्राहेड्रल में 4 रहेगा तो इसमें 2 रहता है, ठीक है, दैट इज 2:1 रेशियो। These are simple octahedral holes and these are tetrahedral holes. These are triangular and that is the round form. This is octahedral and that is triangular form is tetrahedral forms. Okay, these ABC layers, first layer, second layer and third layer. This ABC layer, that is 6 3 3, total 12 number में simple coordination number of SCP CCP and FCC is equal to क्या होता है 12 and 6 ferries इसका ऑन का होता है और 3 फेरिस ओबो एंड 3 फेरिस कहाँ पे होता है बिलो में होता है, ठीक है।